Mm. Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. In this video, we will discuss 20 important multiple choice questions related to transformer. So, let me start. Question number 1. The principle of working of a transformer is. Answer is option C, mutual induction. Question number 2. A transformer varies the output. Answer is option A, current. Question number 3. The secondary of a current transformer is. Answer is option A, never left open circuited. Question number 4. One of the instrument transformer is. Answer is option D, current transformer. Question number 5. A humming sound is produced in a distribution transformer when it is working. It is due to. Answer is option C, vibration of core. Question number 6. A distribution transformer station have. Answer is option C, 3 earth. Question number 7. Which of the following is not meant for protection of transformer? Answer is option A, circuit breaker. Question number 8. The condition of maximum efficiency of the transformer is that. Answer is option B. Copper losses are equal to the iron losses. Question number 9. Input to the primary with the secondary short circuited of the transformer gives. Answer is option B. Copper losses. Question number 10. Transformer rating are usually expressed in terms of. Answer is option A, kVA. Question number 11. The purpose of oil in a transformer is to. Answer is option C, insulate and cool. Question number 12. Dash losses are obtained from short circuit test of a transformer. Answer is option A, copper losses. Question number 13. In an ideal transformer, the no load primary current I0. Answer is option A, lags behind voltage by 90 degree. Question number 14. No load test on a transformer is carried out to determine. Answer is option C, magnetizing current and no load losses. Question number 15. The connection in three-phase transformer is used for the substation end of the transmission line. Answer is option B, star delta. Question number 16. The standard value of secondary current of current transformer. Answer is option B, 5 ampere. Question number 17. The Buckles relay is used in. Answer is option D, power transformer. Question number 18. The dielectric strength of a transformer oil should be. Answer is option A, 30 kilovolt. Question number 19. A transformer is working at its maximum efficiency. Its iron loss is 500 watts. Its copper loss will be. Answer is option D, 500 watts. Question number 20. Two transformers operating in parallel with share the load depending upon their. Answer is option D, per unit impedance.